Okay. Okay. So, let's hear this. Listen, Gucci Gabe, I would beat the shit out of you. Let's get that straight, dude. Okay? Let's just get it straight. Let's get it straight. This little clip right here, I don't know what you're trying to put out, what message you're trying to put out. I would beat the shit out of you. I would slap you in the face, and I would pull your little blonde hair.
Damn. Lord boy, huh? You ain't slapping shit. Pull up to New Jersey, bitch. I pull up with a stick. Say you want that static, little tubby, you doing shit. Say you miss Alyssa, I'm sorry, she on my dick. Say he gon' pull my hair, you a Peter. Heard you kid specific, I'm sorry, that's on the deal. Heard you said I'm sunny, then cooked him like a burrito. Heard you need a new bra, your titty sagging, that's lethal. I'll beat your sorry ass, little tubby, just shut the fuck up. I call up Mr. Pretty Boy, that's when you run your luck up. Talking all that shit, but you still ask me for a feature. Who the fuck LosPollos, man? Who the fuck is that creature? Big fat movie boy, don't ever disrespect me. I just got back from Champagne's crib, she said I'm also sexy. Cause I'm a badass, you a fat ass, and that's simple. Talking all that shit, tough, so I pop your ass like a pimp. Like you even touch me, little movie, who was you fooling? Run up with a chat gang, and then you was not born.
This is a gorgeous Gucci Gabe banger.
Lord boy, huh? You ain't slapping shit. Pull up to New Jersey, bitch. I pull up with a stick. Say you want a static, let's tell me you doing shit. Say you miss Alyssa, I'm sorry, she on my dick.
Damn, Gucci killed it again.
Oh my god. Okay. At this point, it's like, what even? It's like, what the fuck? I play these fucking songs. I'm not. Alright. Dude, I'm done. Listen. You didn't destroy anything. Listen to me, okay?
Hey pal, where's Duke at?
Thanks for the 13 months, dude. Listen to me. Listen. Him saying lard, mooby, all this shit. I'll show you pictures of fucking Gucci Gabe. He's a little chunky lard, okay? Let's be honest right now and real for a second. Okay? And he also has long, blonde hair. But hold on a second. I'm done playing his songs, dude. I'm done. This dude's out here trying to expose and fucking... Nah, it's over. I'm done playing it. I was showing love, but now it's over. It's over now. It's over.